Everybody, welcome to Yoga-Rah-Tay. Everybody, if you're listening, hands in the air. If you're listening, touch your nose. If you're listening, touch your knees. If you're listening, say, cheese please. Cheese please? What are you, a bunch of mice? Oh, you guys are all silly. So my name is Yensei, and this is Yogarate. I just want to see if my buddy Scruffy wants to come out today. Scruffy, you want to come out today? There you go. All right, people said they missed him. Scruffy's my Yogarate dog, and we're going to start the class by showing respect. Everyone say respect. Good job. So if you're listening, hands in the air. If you're listening, touch your nose. If you're listening, hands behind your back. Open your feet. Everybody, big belly breath in. Breathe out. Let me hear you say, yes, sir. Nice job. And now we're going to put our feet together. Everybody, attention, say, yes, sir. Good job. Stick your nose up in the air. Everybody go, ho, ho, ho. Good courtesy and respect. Awesome. So today's game that we're going to start warming up with is called Yensei Says. So it's kind of like Simon Says. Do you guys know how to play Simon Says? So if I say Simon Says, hands in the air, then you do it. If I say Simon Says, touch your knees, then you do it. If I don't say Simon Says, so this is a game of listening, then you don't do it. But we're going to do Yensei Says. So first, we're going to start off really, really slow. Yensei Says, hands in the air. Yensei Says, touch your nose. Yensei Says, touch your hips. Now listen, this time, I'm not going to say Yensei Says. I'm just going to tell you what to do. So do we do it? No. Okay, good. Let's use paying attention. Yensei Says. Oh, sorry. Ready? And touch your knees. Oh, I didn't say Yensei Says. All right, so let's keep playing. Yensei Says. Wave at your friends. Yensei Says. Jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yensei Says. Wiggle your toes. And touch your elbows. Oh, Yensei didn't say. I think I got a couple of you. Good job making mistakes. That's how we learn. Yensei Says, hands like this. Yensei Says, do a silly dance. Do a silly dance. Do a silly dance. Do a silly dance. And stop. Oh, Yensei didn't say. You got to keep on doing it. Do a dance. Do a silly dance. Do a silly dance. Do a silly dance. Yensei Says, stop. Yensei Says, touch your nose. Yensei Says, rub your belly. Ho, 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 ho. Yensei Says, run in place. 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 Stop. Oh, Yensei didn't say. You gotta keep on running in place. Run in place. Run in place. Run in place. And stop. Good job. Oh, Yensei Says, stop. Awesome job. Give yourself a high five. That was an awesome way to warm up. Let's do our stretching. So first, big belly breath in. Breathe in. Make your belly big. And breathe out, pull your belly in to make it small. Breathe in, make your belly big. Breathe out, make your belly small. Okay, everybody roll your head around. If your head falls off, I'll give you some glue, glue it back on. And go the other way, go the other way. Oh, did you need glue? I heard somebody say they want glue. Here's some glue for you, here's some glue for you, here's some glue for you. Take the glue, catch it, put it on your neck. Put it over here. Everybody say, check the neck. Good job, everybody. Go tick, tock, tick, tock. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tick tock. You don't stop to the tick tock. Oh, that's calling me bad. That's something different. Everybody go, eh. Are you a bunch of alarm clocks? Oh, you're silly. All right, and let's roll our shoulders forward. And let's roll our shoulders back. And let's do baby birds. Stretch your neck out. Make your neck muscle stronger. Go like a little baby bird. Everyone go tweet, tweet, tweet. Now mommy's going to feed us and go, just like that. All right, awesome. And let's move our neck around a little bit more. If we have a tight neck, that'll do it. Everybody go like this, go like this, go like this. And let's do little circles forward and little circles back. And let's go for a swim. And everybody, what do you see in the ocean? Oh, somebody said a whale. Everyone say, hi, whale. Oh, what else do you see in the ocean? A fish. Everyone say, hi, fish. And what else do you see in the ocean? Shark! Everybody swim! Everybody swim! Swim faster! Swim faster! Swim faster! Oh, the shark's in front of us! Go backwards! Go backwards! Go backwards! Everybody fly out of the water! Whoosh! Woo! That was close. Look at those sharks down there. Say goodbye, sharks! All right, let's fly down to a safe spot. Ready, set, go. Let's do Iron Man flying. And superhero landing. Good job. All right, if you love pizza, say, I love you, pizza. If you love water, drink a lot of water this time of year. Ready? Drink, say, I love you, water. And if you love yourself, we're gonna give ourselves an energy hug. Rub your hands together, rub your hands together. Feel the energy, pull your hands apart like that. Feel that energy going back and forth between your hands. Everybody say, I have the power. Good job. And pull your hands apart even more and feel that energy going between your hands and give yourself an energy hug. Everybody say, I love you, me. And let's do that one more time. Rub your hands together, rub your hands together, rub your hands together, rub your hands together, and pull your hands apart just like that. And give yourself a belly hug. Everyone go, I love you, belly. You kids are doing such a good job. Give me a high five. Awesome. And everybody, let's stretch this so everybody go, hey, hey, hey. Everyone go, hi, hi, hi. Everyone go, hoo, hoo, hoo. What are you, a bunch of owls? I don't give a hoot. Everybody go, ho, ho, ho. Are you Santa Clauses? Somebody owes me a train over there. All right, ready? And everybody, wiggle your belly, 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 wiggle your foot, wiggle your other foot, wiggle all your arms, wiggle your whole entire body. Go like this and freeze. Big belly breath in, big belly breath out. And let's peck for some seeds like a bunch of chickens. Everybody make some chicken beaks. Go, bah! Bah! And go, peck, 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 peck. And let's become monkeys. And pick some bananas like a bunch of monkeys. Pick, 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 peck, 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 pick, 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 peck, 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 pick, 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 peck, 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 pick, pick, pick. Ew, you're picking your nose in. That's disgusting. Throw it away. Whoosh. There you go, just like that. Okay, put your knees together, and we're gonna do a little knee circle. Just regular knee circles, little knee circles. And now bring your knees together. And we're gonna do little baby knee circles, just like this. And everybody make your baby circles a little bit. And now we're going to make our knees huge. Everybody going to bring your knees around, huge. And there you go, everybody, good job. And now let's balance, get our ankles stronger, and start drumming on one leg. Drumming. Faster, faster, drumming until it gets faster, 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 drumming on your knee. Good job. Do the other leg, ready? And start drumming, start drumming, start drumming, start drumming, 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 up, push it down. Awesome. All right, let's get started today with the karate. So everybody, attention, yes sir. Big belly breath in, respect. Good job. So today what we're going to do is we're going to learn something called the middle block. If somebody tries to touch you in your belly or someone tries to bop you in your belly, we want to stop them. So the middle block goes like this. It goes like that. You're going to take your hands like that and swat in front of you like that. And swat in front of you. And swat in front of you. And swat in front of you. So I'm going to tell you a little story. When I was at a picnic, I was about to eat a sandwich. You know what? I think we should all eat some sandwiches, get some breakfast right now. So everyone, here's a basket. Here, take a sandwich. Everyone take a sandwich. Everyone take a sandwich. Oh, here's some more sandwiches for you. And some more sandwiches for you. And some more sandwiches for you. All right, so I was eating a sandwich. And all of a sudden, I heard a sound. And it was a fly. It tried to land on my sandwich. I don't want a fly landing on my sandwich because we all know what flies like to eat. And their feet might be a little dirty. That's why flies have all those legs to wash their hands, just like I know you're washing your hands a lot too. So the fly tried to land on my sandwich, so I didn't want it to do that, so I went swat, and then the fly flew away, and then I went swat, and the fly flew away. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go swat. So everybody step one foot back, big belly breath in, big belly breath out, hands up like this. Do I want your elbows out like chickens? Or in like kangaroos. Kangaroos, good job. So we're gonna do the swat song, the middle block, just like that. Ready, set, go. Swat, 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 middle block. 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 Ayah! That was so good. Let's do it one more time. Step one foot back. Bend your knees. Hands up in a raise. Hands ever go. Ayah! Ready? Big belly breath in. Set. Go. Swat, swat, swat. Middle block. Swat, swat, swat. Middle block. One more time. Swat, swat, swat. Middle block. Swat, swat, swat. Middle block. Ayah! And maybe some of you saw this time I was swatting one time in front of my face. which is the middle up here, and one time in front of my belly, which is the middle down here. This is called your center line. All right, let's try it one more time. Ready, hands. Ayah. Ready, set, go. Swat, swat, swat. Middle block. 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 Ayah! All right, awesome. Let's practice. So here are my sun balls, and this is what I'm gonna do. Ready? Can you ready, Sans? Ayah! I like the way your hands are in front. I like the way your hands are in front. I'm gonna throw the balls at the TV, and what I want you to do is you're gonna pretend that they're coming at your nose or at your belly, and you're gonna swat. Okay, ready? Let me hear you go, ayah. Well, I can't hear. Let me hear you go, ayah! All right, ready, set, go. Good job! Good job! Keep going. Keep going. You're doing awesome. Uh-oh, now I'm gonna throw two at a time. Let me see you do a double middle block. Ready? That was so good. Give yourself a high five. Awesome. All right, let's do some yoga now, sitting on the floor. Everyone, I like the way you're sitting crisscross. I like the way you're sitting crisscross. Hi, buddy. Are you having a good Yogarate class? He likes to do the meditating part. Okay, so we're going to do some yoga with our faces. So we're going to stretch our faces out because there are a lot, wink, of muscles in our faces. So everybody, we're gonna stretch. Everyone, we're gonna make a sound of a bear. So show me some big bear paws. And everybody go like this and make an O sound. Do an O face like that and go, oh. Good job. Now we're gonna make our faces all scrunched up, and we're gonna make our faces scrunched up and do little whiskers like a mouse, and we're gonna make an E sound. Everybody go like this and go, E. All right, I'm gonna move a little bit closer so that everyone can see my beautiful face. Okay, ready? And everyone go like this and make a bear sound and go, oh. And now let me see your little whiskers on your mouth face and go, ee. Oh. Ee. All right, good job. That was great. Let's roll one wrist around like that. We're going to do yoga for our wrist and just keep everything moving back and forth. And we're going to go one hand. And we're going to go the other hand. Awesome. Now, everybody do one foot and look behind you. Make sure you have a lot of room just in case you accidentally roll back. So everybody roll one foot around like this and go the other way. And good job. Ready, everyone? Go one foot around like this and go the other way. Good job. Now, ready? Let's see if we can do this. Roll your hands around like this and roll the other way. And now can you do this while you're rolling one foot? Awesome, just like that. What about, can you do 2 feet like that? You could be sitting up, you could put your hands behind you. Try to do 2 feet like this and like that, and here's the hardest one. Ready? Now look behind you. Do I want you to have things behind you, or do I want you to have an open space behind you? Good job. I like the way you look behind you. I like the way you look behind you. So ready? Everyone start rolling your wrists around. And everybody start rolling your feet around and keep going. Oh, 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 oh! Good job. Let's try it again. Ready? Everybody roll your hands like this. Roll your hands like this. Roll, roll. And let's get our ankles going. Good job. Let's get our ankles going there. Whoa, whoa. Turtle on his back. Whoa! That was awesome. All right. Let's say hello to the sun with our sun salutation. Everyone, big belly breath in. Big belly breath out. Let's do our fire breathing that we learned in one of the other classes. Hands over your mouth. Breathe in and out with your nose. Awesome, just like that. All right, everyone stand up. Let me hear you say, yes, sir. Okay, and our sun salutation. Everybody adjust yourself. Good job, mate. All right, I guess today we're doing it with a little down under. So, sun salutation, if you know the words, do it in your voice or do it in somebody else's. I shape a circle Then one more. Breathe in. Breathe out. I fold in half and touch the floor. Everybody go touch, 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 touch. Good job. Breathe in and breathe out. Now we're got some big Australian firemen here. Everybody start drumming on your legs. You hear the horses coming. You hear the horses coming. Put your hands on your knees. Stretch your neck out like this. Big belly breath in. Let me see your horse face. And I kick my feet back and drop right away. Big belly breath in. Big belly breath out. Good job. Well, I pull myself forward and let out a hiss. Breathe in and go. Well, I lift my bottom to the sky like a doggy, like this. Breathe in. And everybody make a dog noise. Go ruff, 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 ruff. I drop to my knees. And I breathe dragon's fire. Well, I guess the lion didn't like that. So dragon's fire. Everybody put one hand out like this. Shook your dragon tongue and bring it in. And everybody stick out your dragon tail. See if you can see your dragon tail behind you. And bring it in. Ready, set, dragon's fire. Roar! And now we're going to switch sides and lift a little higher. So everybody stick out your dragon tail behind you. You see my dragon tail floating around. And then put your dragon tongue out, your big dragon tongue, and pull it in like this. And everybody big belly breath in and dragon fire. Roar! Nice job. I curl up like a little mouse. Everybody big belly breath in and go squeak, 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 squeak. Nice job. And I stand up tall like a big, strong house. Everybody show me your muscles. Nice job. And I reach, and I reach, and I reach for my toes. Everyone take your hands, grab under your toes, and try to stand up and see if that feels good for your back. Good job. Stand up slow. Breathe in. Everybody throw me a crazy pose. All right. You guys did awesome. Who had fun? Say, me, sir. Who's a peanut butter chicken sandwich? Say, me, sir. You're what? Oh, you're being silly. All right. We always start the class the same way we end the class, by showing respect. Put your feet together. Hands to your side. Attention. I like the way you're standing at attention. I like the way you're standing at attention. Everybody say, yes, sir. Good job. Nose up in there. Breathe in. And say, respect. Good job. Clap for all your friends that did this with you. Give yourself a high five. Everybody, big belly breath in. NamastAHYAH! You guys did awesome. Everybody, give me some high fives. Good job. I will see you at the next class.